For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to PowerPoint tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to record a presentation and record your voice and narration to your presentation to look stand out. So let's begin. Click on slideshow, select record slideshow option, click on it. There are two options, start recording from beginning, start recording from current slide. So we'll select start recording from beginning. A pop-up window appears. It says select what you want to record before you begin recording. You can check or uncheck these options and click on Start Recording. Recording is started now. PowerPoint tutorials how to record a presentation. A audio icon appears on your presentation which says your recording or your voice is recorded. Click on it and play it. Recording is started now. PowerPoint tutorials how to record a presentation. Yeah. In this way, you can record your narration or your own voice to your presentation to stand out. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.